Okay, good morning class. So today we're wrapping up the topic on equations. We're busy with word problems, no? So I gave you word problems from a different textbook. Worksheet 12. This out here. This one. Worksheet 12G. Right, let's just wait for blessing. No blessing. Yes. We're just waiting for it quickly and we'll start. Alright, blessing is back. So the question says, let a number in each of the following questions be x. Write the information in the form of an equation and solve the equation to determine the number. Okay. So let's go. Number 1. If you add 6 to a number, you get 40. That is simple. So you get the number be x. So what we have? X plus 6 equals 40. So x is equal to 40 minus 6, which is 8. Nice. You get number 2. If you subtract 6 from a number, so then the number be x. So you subtract 5 from a number. So what do we write? X minus 5, you get 9. So x equal to 9 plus 5, which is number 3. If you multiply a number by 3, so that the number be, so you say multiply the number by 3, you get 33. So how do I get x on its own? Divided by 3 both sides. So x is 11. So you all agree with that? Any confusion here? No? Look at number 4. Let's take this down. Number 4. If we divide a number by 4, you get 16. So what do we say? Let the number be x. If you divide a number by 4, you get 16. Okay. So how do I solve for x here? Times by 4 both sides. What? So I want to get rid of the fraction. Or I could have divided both sides by a quarter, it's the same. Okay, so that cancels, so x is equal to 16 times 4. Number 5. If you multiply a number by 2, so where we say let the number be x. You multiply a number by 2, so x times 2, which is 2x. Then add 6, you get 20. You see how I constructed that one now? Solve the equation. Take it over. Becomes 2x is equal to 20 minus 6. What's 20 minus 6? 40. Divided by 2. X is 7. Okay. number 5. You got number 6. Hi.
Nothing.
Okay. Number 6. Yes? So yes, you don't have to write 2. But often we don't tell you that. We don't tell you like did the number base. Then you have to introduce the rule. Okay? So I'm doing it all the time so that you can think it. But if you see that you won't forget in the exam, it's fine. But if you forget in the exam, you're going to lose the mark. Number 6, if you multiply a number by 4 and then subtract 12, you get 24. So where do we start? You let the number be. Okay. If you multiply a number by 4, so 4 times x is going to be 4x. Then subtract 12, so it's minus 12. You get? Okay? X is one side, numbers the other side. So 4x is equal to 24 plus 12, which is 36. Not so? So what do I do now? Divide by 4 both sides. So x is going to be? So get number 7. If you multiply a number by 5, so let the number be x. Okay. If you multiply a number by 5, so that's going to give you 5x. You get the same answer as, so right? Equal. As when you add 12 to the number. So what I'm going to write here? X plus 12 or 12 plus 6. It's absolute. It is a matter of solving for x. Not so? Get over becomes 5x minus x equal to 5x minus x divided by 4 and divide by 3 both sides. No, 4 both sides. Okay, number 8. If you divide a number by 4, then subtract 6, you get 6. So we say, let the number be, okay? So if we divide the number by 4, so it's going to become x over 4. Then subtract 6, minus 6. You get 6. Okay. From here, it's a matter of solving that equation. It's number 8. So what do? We take that 6 over the equal sign. We get x over 4 is equal to 6 plus 6. What's 6 plus 6? So what do I do now? Multiply both sides, right? 6 over 4. That's going to cancel. Oh, it's 4, not 6, sorry. Okay, that cancels. So x equal to? Look at number 9. Number 9. If we divide 3 times, so let the number be x. That's the case what we say. If you divide 3 times a number, 3 times a number, so 3 times a number is going to give you 3x. If you divide 3x by 5 and add 14, you get? Okay, so what do I do now? Simply solve it. If you divide 3 times the number by 5 and add 14, you get 11. They get over the equal sign. Here comes 3x over 5 is equal to 11 minus 4. What's that? So what's 11 minus 14? Sorry? Negative 3. So how do I get x on this out? Either divide both sides by 3 over 5, or I can multiply both sides by its reciprocal, which is 5 over 3. Okay? Naturally that's over 1. So the 5 cancel 5, 3 cancel 3, so I got x standing on its own, and that's what I want. 3 cancels 3. So negative times positive is negative, 1 times 5 is 5 over 1, which is 5. And there you go. Okay? I feel this exercise was a bit easier than the other word problems that we did, isn't it? Okay. I think you can do that other word problems again on your own. Okay. I think this time there's something. I've done 4 lessons on this, 3 lessons. This is the 4th one. So at this time you should be able to unravel these questions. Alright, the last one. If you subtract, so we say let the number be x. Okay? You subtract 24 from double the number. Whatever follows from, you write first. So double the number would have been 2x. Subtract 24 from double the number. You get the same answer as when you subtract 30 from the number. So it's going to become x. Okay. So what do I do now? X is one side, number sides. Become 2x minus x is equal to minus 30 plus 24. So x is equal to minus 6. Okay? Any confusion here? No? So that brings us to the end of this chapter, equations. Okay. And now we're starting with angles and lines, which is geometry. Okay.